up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I got a really exciting matchup for you guys here tonight, and I am back here with the 1995 Toyota Supra. Last time you guys saw him on the channel, he raced up against the NA Camaro SS. Sorry, the LT1. And he is back now a little bit faster than before. He was able to turn up the boost a little bit, I think by about 3 more pounds, if I'm not mistaken. So the owner is estimating this car to be somewhere around upper 600s to the wheels. A little recap, he's on a Borg Warner S366 Turbo with some supporting mods, running on E85 with a 6-speed manual transmission from a 350Z. And he's be running up against a 2020 BMW M8 Competition. Now this car has downpipes, intakes, and a custom E40 tune, making upper 700s to the wheels, and it is full weight. Now just a little extra info coming from the M8. When he last raced the G80 just recently on the channel, he had a torque limiter in 4th gear, which was hindering his top end performance. He just recently got a revision and got that removed, and now his top end is improved. So I'm pretty excited about this race. So both cars will be taking 1 passenger. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys. So I'm here in the M8. And the first race we're going to do with the Supra is going to be from 60 miles an hour. Here we go from 60. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo!
1 and then drop, or you're ready and go?
So are you ready? Go. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna tell them what happened. All right, guys. So we're gonna do that 60 one more time, but a little bad news. The Supra's 5th gear is completely gone. So we're going to take this, I think, to somewhere around like 140. So it won't be a complete race, but I'm here to give you some good footage anyways. So let's see how it goes. That was it.
That was a bad fucking launch for me too. It beat them.
It's okay.
We're running. Yeah.
It's okay. Well, Supra misshift into 4th on that one, so we're going to do that one more time. Are you ready? Go! That was it. Very good race up to 140. Very good race. It's too bad his 5th gear is out, otherwise we keep going. But hey, we did what we can do. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. These guys are, I would say, somewhat identical. It was a good matchup for sure. If you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Later.